4,000 horse nowadays, these tractors are. A bunch of them up there. Unlimited turbocharger, one turbocharger. They run an intercooler on them. Well, you tell the difference in sound in them, that's for sure. Wow. 4,000 horse being transferred to driveline in 24.5 tires. Stock class sponsored by Meinholz Excavating here tonight. Here we go, we take a look at the fence. Well, what we had there is engine and tooling out of Waterloo has a plant in Suzhou, China. I probably didn't say it right, but in China, and the manager is here tonight, so let's give him a good wave. Normally they clear out. So normally what that fans, is they run the intercoolers on these. Now remember I told you the chargers they're all running close to a 6-inch charger, 5.5 to 6-inch, somewhere in there. With the intercooler on them, on a nice night like tonight when 70-some degrees out, the air is kind of light, it's not super humid. When they're at the starting line, once they get backed up and they tighten the chain, they turn the intercooler on. Now the intercooler is packed full of ice and ice-cold water. Badger State since 1974, just so you fans know. 50th anniversary of the Badger State Tractor Pullers this year. The T8 Tomcat. And as Greg went by, I see his foot hard on the left brake as that tractor wanted to go to the right. Hammering that left brake hard to keep it going towards the center. That's for sure. Chasing around, definitely one of the hard chargers here in the Pro Stocks ever tonight. Andrew Horwald bringing the RPM to it. 8370R, John Deere out of Scotts Grove, Iowa. 349 and change mark to beat. Andrew got over on the right-hand side over there. The tractor drifted over that way. Had a good hole shot, beautiful hole shot. Illinois. International 966 called the Red Cadillac. For those of you that bought 50/50 raffle tickets, get your tickets out. Right after this, we're going to draw for it before we talk.